Chippy, 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 chill! Juny, Tony! JunyTony's Great Adventure on Ballet Star!
The secret of huge waves on Splish Splash Island!
Yay! The sea! I can't wait to swim!
Not so fast, Tony. We need to find the Ballet Stone first. Queen Aurora said so.
When you get to the Splish Splash Island, meet the villagers to find out what happened there.
Just then, a sad song was heard from somewhere.
Huh? Look! Splish Splash Island in the middle of the sea. Always a beautiful and peaceful place to be. But one day, wild and strong waves appeared. It swallowed up my dear dad.
When they looked around, there were high and strong waves from the distant sea.
Is it because of the Ballet Stone, Princess Joy?
I don't know. We'll have to get closer and find out. Come on, JunyTony. Oh?
Juny and Tony approached and comforted Tina, the girl who had lost her father.
We'll go out to the sea and find your dad.
Meanwhile, two shadows were watching them. They were the villains, Lulu and Lala.
We are the meanest villain duo!
We love bothering everyone you know.
Lulu!
Lala! Let's go! Lulu Lala, Lulu La. Lulu, we must find the Ballet Stone first this time, you know.
Of course! Look at my remarkable invention to break through tough waves! The sea animal wetsuit!
If only it works.
Meanwhile, Juny, Tony, Princess Joy, and Leo went out to the sea by boat to reveal the secret of the waves.
Ah!
Even Tony's protection magic couldn't stop the boat from shaking in the strong waves.
There! The waves are starting from that island! Let's go!
The boat moved closer to the island Juny pointed to.
The island is moving and making big waves.
Then, the island suddenly rose and started talking.
Huh? Who are you?
Huh? It's not an island. It's a giant blue whale.
You look so funny!
Please stop, Blue Whale! Every time you giggle, there's a wave! Please stop giggling!
I'm Blue Whale, a giant blue whale. Yummy, yummy shrimp is my favorite. Shrimply the best! But maybe I had too much. I feel weird. I can't stop giggling. Someone please stop my giggles.
I'm dizzy! Ouch!
Tony's funny fall made the blue whale giggle even louder, which made the waves even stronger. So the boat everyone was on was sucked into the blue whale's enormous mouth.
Oh no!
Where are we?
Are we inside the belly of the blue whale? Wow! It's amazing! It's like a fairy tale is happening for real! Oh?
While wandering in the blue whale's belly, Juny found something shiny in the corner.
Huh? It's a giggle stone! Giggle stone has the power of joy and happiness. It must have made the blue whale keep giggling. We found the Ballet Stone inside the blue whale's belly.
Oh, maybe we can find Tina's dad in here too.
To everyone's surprise, a man appeared in the dark.
Tina? Do you know Tina, my daughter?
Yes! Tina misses you so much! She's waiting for you!
Oh, Tina. To live happily ever after with my Tina. I went out to the sea every single day. One day, strong waves hit me hard. The next thing I know, I'm in the belly of a whale. Oh, Tina, please wait for me. Your daddy will find you.
When everyone got on board, Juny waved Aqua wand and cast a magic spell.
Chubby, 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 choo! Out of the blue whale! Huh? One more time. Chubby, 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 choo! Out of the blue whale! Huh? Why isn't it working?
Oh no! Blue whale! We're all trapped in your belly! Can you hear me?
At that time, Juny saw a big feather in Tony's pocket and took it out. Then Juny started to tickle the blue whale's belly.
Please, please, please!
Juny, do you really think that one feather can tickle the whale? It's moving!
It worked! Everybody, hold tight!
Juny's tickling made the blue whale sneeze. And thanks to that, everyone got out safely.
Phew, that was one thrilling ride.
Huh? Then, Lulu used the long arm of an octopus wetsuit to snatch the giggle stone from Princess Joy's hands.
We'll take the stone!
Give us back the Ballet Stone, you villains!
Lulu and Lala avoided all of Leo's arrows. Juny and Tony chased Lulu and Lala.
Stop right there!
Stop! What should we do?
Don't worry.
When Lulu and Lala came close to the boat to avoid Juny and Tony, Tina's dad snatched the giggle stone with a scoop net from Lulu's hands.
Whoa! Got it!
No! He took the giggle stone! We should get it back!
The blue whale blocked Lulu and Lala as they swam hard toward the boat.
Oh, a shrimp! I love shrimp!
No, no, no! Please don't eat us!
Open card book. Giggle stone with the power of joy and happiness. Come back to where you belong. Because we found the giggle stone, the blue whale could finally stop giggling. Yeah, and I'm really happy for Tina and her dad.
Now there are no more strong waves. It's time to swim!
Yeah!
I love shrimp! They're shrimply the best! Yo!
Go away!
Chippy, 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 choo!